Let's talk about them. Yo, what's up, y'all? So this video, we're going to talk about the Rayban / Meta. Wayfarers is the ones I got, but they got a few different models. These are the new smart glasses. A lot of people seen me using them in my videos, and of course I had to do a video about them. So what are the features? Why should you buy them? And should you buy them? We're going to get into all of that in this one. So first off, they're regular glasses. So they do regular glasses functions. But on top of that, the things that wowed me the most was, one, the fact that it can record. It can record video, and then it can also take pictures. The quality is 4K. So it's high quality video. The things that you might not know about the video is that most of the video, and maybe you can change it. I've only had them for like a week. But the video is in vertical format, just as if you were doing a reel or something like that, a short video. It's not in wide format, but that might be a reason to that. And that reason could be because it's only 1 minute clips. So with 1 minute clips, it fits the format for reels. Now, it's simple to record, and people will know that they're being recorded. They put a white light on the lenses. So what we do is we just hold down this button, boom, you got this white light flashing. It lets people know that they're being recorded. Now, I've shot content in the store and I've let people know, yo, we're going to be recording this for YouTube or for Instagram. And when we're done shooting, they say, yo, where was the cameras? Are they hidden? And I'm like, they're right here on my face. So they don't even know, even with the white light on, some people don't even notice it. So that's one thing. And then you can stop the recording just by pressing the button again. If you want to take a picture, you just tap, boom. And while all this is going on, you have surround sound speakers inside, just like if you had the Oculus on. Keep in mind, it's made by Meta and Rayban. So they have these speakers where you don't have to plug in anything into your ears, but you can also hear very clear and very loud what you're doing. Also, on top of that, if you decide you want to take a phone call, you can take your phone calls and people can hear you. You can talk to them. Kind of look like you're a little crazy, but I like it. Also, you can say, hey, Meta, and then ask it a question, and it'll answer it just like Alexa right into your glasses. This is some cool stuff, y'all. So look, do I think it's worth the money? $350? Hell yeah. Because guess what? I wear glasses and I go to the optometrist and I pay $350 for a regular pair of specs. So for $350 for something that can do all of this and I still can wear it on my face and they name brand, man, so win-win. I would say cop them. They have them in transitional lenses. They have them in sunglasses. They also have them in personality clear lenses. So you can cop them. They got various prices. I will leave a link if you want to buy them from my Amazon store to support my channel. Please do so. Click that link. Support our channel because that's how we keep providing content for you guys. So it's your boy NV Computer Man. We wrapping this one up. Check these Ray-Bans out ASAP. Great Christmas gift, great stocking stuffer, and Amazon can get them to you same day delivery, guys. I'm out.